guys, we're gonna talk about this novel. You can see in here, this novel is a work by Ruth Ware, was published in 2022, which tells us two timelines now and past situation, and also in each chapter or page there are forward and backward plots. And after that, many of the characters of this novel are written the good appearance on outside but are hiding something in the backstage. I think this novel is very exciting to read because make it us very curious about the end of the story and many lessons we can take for our lives. Okay, now we continue to the next. We're gonna talk about the author of this novel that is Ruth Ware wrote the It Girl because he was interested in exploring themes of womanhood such as maternity, it girls, or victim blaming in a complex mystery story. Now we're gonna talk about the characters. They are Hannah Jones as a freshman at the time of the tragedy and April close friend, and the secondly is April Clark, Hannah roommate at Oxford, and the namely is It Girl, and the third is Will the Castaic, April's boyfriend who later married with Hannah, and the next is Agnes as a lecturer handsome who seems to have a mysterious relationship with April. And the next is Emily and Ryan is April as April and Hannah friends group at the Oxford. And the last is John Neville as a night watchman who is suspect April's murder. Okay, let's continue. We're gonna talk about storyline of novel. As you know, this novel tells us two situations, the present and the past. We start now. A woman named Hannah Jones now works at a bookstore in Edinburgh. Hannah is approached by journalists who wants to interview her about the murder of April Clark, her roommate at Oxford. And also the journalist mentioned about the John Neville. He, the nightman who suspect April's murder, has died in prison. Hannah feels like doubtful and guilty about the information is John Neville. And now Hannah still remember the encounter with the journalist who questioned her testimony 10 years ago, and she began rereading the old news story about the April and John Neville's case. And also Hannah tries to contact her close friends like Ryan and Emily who might know about this case, but what? She got not the result. Now, Hannah immediately becomes suspicious with her husband, who very calm during the incident. Will is April X, a woman who has the nickname It Girl, because on the night of the incident, Will had just met with April and had a big fight because Will ended their relationship. But Will lied to Hannah when he first started the relationship with her. Will admit to had and never met April before the incident happened. However, Will was very sure that when he left her room, April was still alive. And yeah, you know guys, Hannah gathers all evidence and finally suspect Agnes, their former lecturer, to be close to Hannah and also has access to the room April's. And he has a motive to silence April. And then Hannah arranges a meeting with Agnes for pretending to want to discuss the past. And you know, in the conversation, Agnes indirectly admits his action. He killed the April. And you know why Agnes killed April? Because Agnes afraid if the April revealed the relationship to the public, career and the reputation will be ruined. And yeah, Hannah recorded this conversation and Hug arrested by the police. And officially John Neville's case was cleared by properly. But Hannah felt guilty for being involved in causing him to go to the prison. Yeah, Will and Hannah's relationship went well later, although he didn't kill April. His lie still left a scar. However, they decide to move with their lives together, especially since Hannah is pregnant. There was some tension left, but they choose to be honest and rebuild the trust. And also, in this part, can explain April is very bad character towards close friends and other peoples around, like John Neville, Agnes, or etc. Make people around fight or criticize, or also make her partner to hate to her. Okay guys, now I wanna give you lessons to be learned from this novel. For the first is you must be careful when you are trusting with first impression people, and the second is maintain friendship and loyalty, and the last is most importantly for you all, be respectful to everyone, respect with your elders or embrace your peers. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me for the novel review. I hope you enjoy and you can take the lesson from this novel. And I'm sorry if I have mistake from my presented. And thank you so much for watching and your attention. Bye bye. See you next time.